Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Truffle and clean migrations folders step by step clearly. To uninstall Truffle, start by opening your terminal. First, ensure that you have Node.js and npm installed on your system. Next, type the command npm uninstall gtruffle. Press enter to execute the command. This will remove Truffle from your global installations. To confirm the uninstallation, type Truffle version. If Truffle is uninstalled, you will see an error message stating that the command is not found. Now that Truffle is uninstalled, let's clean up the migrations folders. Navigate to your project directory using the command cdpath /to/your project. Once inside your project folder, locate the migrations directory. You can do this by typing ls to list the contents of the folder. In the migrations folder, you will see files with the extension .js. Before deleting these files, make sure to back up any important ones. After backing up, type rmrf migrations/star.js to remove all migration script files. This will clear the migration folder of any previous migrations. Once the deletions are complete, you can verify the folder is empty by typing ls migrations. If the folder is empty, you have successfully cleaned it up. You have now uninstalled Truffle and cleaned the migrations folders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.